In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back Google Business Profile if disabled, 2026. If your Google Business Profile has been disabled or suspended, don't panic. In most cases, the key is to fix the issue first and then submit a proper appeal with solid proof that your business is legitimate. The process is straightforward, but it's important to be careful and accurate. Start by checking your listing against Google's guidelines. Before you appeal, you need to correct whatever may have caused the suspension. One of the most common issues is keyword stuffing in the business name. Your profile name should match your real-world business name exactly, not a version packed with extra marketing terms. Another common issue involves service area rules. If you don't serve customers face-to-face at your address, your street address should be hidden, and your service area should be set correctly instead. Also review your address carefully. P.O. boxes and virtual offices are not allowed, so if your profile uses one of those, that can trigger a problem. Finally, make sure your business information is consistent everywhere. Your business name, address, and hours should match your website, signage, and official documents as closely as possible. Consistency matters a lot in the review process. Once you've corrected any issues, go to the Google Business Profile Appeal tool. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that manages the profile. Then open the official appeal tool and select the disabled or suspended business profile. Google will typically show the reason the profile was restricted and may link you to the specific guideline involved. This is useful because it helps you confirm exactly what needed to be fixed before moving forward. Next, gather your supporting documents before you begin uploading. This part is important because once you start, you usually have 60 minutes to submit everything. Prepare clear photos or PDFs of official business registration documents, a tax certificate, or a business license. You should also have proof of address, such as a utility bill for electricity, water, phone, or internet that shows your business name and exact address. If possible, include extra proof like permanent signage at your location or insurance certificates, since that can help strengthen your appeal. After submitting, wait and monitor the status. Google often takes up to 5 business days to review an appeal. Avoid submitting multiple appeals at the same time because that can slow things down. Also, do not create a duplicate profile for the same business while the appeal is pending. Instead, check the appeal tool for updates and let the process run its course. If you follow these steps carefully and provide accurate documentation, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting your Google Business Profile restored.